In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to precisely populate a repeater with data in Wix, one of the most user-friendly website builders today. This tutorial is a straightforward, clear-cut guide even for beginners venturing into web designing. In order to reach our goal, we first need to add a repeater as well as a CMS or content management system collection to our page. The latter is crucial as this is where the data that we intend to display will come from. What you need to do is to integrate a repeater into your web page, and then either create or select a pre-existing CMS collection brimming with the data you want to showcase on your site. Once our initial task is completed, now we move on to the act of connecting our repeater to this dataset. The process involves selecting the repeater that you inserted onto your page. Look for and click the Connect to CMS icon, which should be conveniently visible on your user interface. Now, a drop-down menu will appear, and from this selection, pick out the particular dataset that suits your needs. Our next objective is to flesh out the elements in your repeater by associating these with the correlating fields from our chosen collection. To accomplish this, you need to pick out an element inside the very first item of your repeater. This could be an image or a text box or anything else as per your requirement. Again, tap on the Connect to CMS icon, which should trigger a list of options to pop up. Select the field that corresponds to your element. With this step, the connection you just made will be auto-applied to all other items within your repeater. Finally, we need to set everything in its rightful setting and save our work accordingly. This last part entails you to redo the element connection for all remaining elements you wish to exhibit. However, the beauty of our process is that any alterations or connections made within one repeater item will automatically extend across all items within your repeater. In essence, once you have set one, you have essentially set them all. After you have repeated the connection process for all the elements, make sure you save all the changes before leaving the editor. And there, you have your successfully populated repeater data in Wix. Learning these steps add up to an essential skill every Wix user should master, especially for those who intend on maximizing datasets and crafting content-rich sites. Just always remember, practice and exploration are your best companions in becoming adept in these tasks. Happy website building with Wix!